pass on to the 42, the answer. What's strange about the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy? We all die tonight, it seems. Everybody thinks about the elves inside that create the meaning of time. It's just well alive inside the other side. We all must die to come alive this time. But I think Miss Green forgot to tell the whole world everything. All the Muslims got confused and decided to lose their best friends inside the Mammon. No one knew you as a star, but honestly you're out there breaking hearts. Who knew Miss Green could think that the universe needed everything to come to an answer alive? But this time everyone had to die. What's weird about chopping off the heads? Everyone ends up dead. What's so strange about the ending? It's the beginning of best friends. I love you, all of you. It's the golden truth. And if you like to come alive, the Mammon has to die.